Hello, this tutorial will walk you through how to easily enroll your child for the following school year using the online Enrollment platform. These are the documents needed before you begin. You'll need a photo ID of the person registering the child, proof of residence such as a utility bill with your name and address on it, the child's birth certificate or passport or other proof of identity and age, child's social security card, this is optional but saves time, the child's immunization records, it must be an up-to-date record, as well as the child's academic records such as a transcript or a report card. How to access your online account using Enrollment. If you're a returning student that already has a Enrollment account, go to www.saisd.net/enroll and click the banner. Sign in using the username and password you created previously. Click the green button that reads Ready, Set, Go to continue. If you're a returning student that does not have a Enrollment account, go to www.saisd.net/enroll and click the banner. Sign in using the username and password provided by the school. Reset your password as instructed. Click the green button in the student dashboard to continue your student's registration paperwork. Sibling accounts will be linked. Use one Enrollment account for all families. Adding parent and guardian information. Fill out all the fields marked with an asterisk. The address should be the address where the student resides, and make sure it matches the address on the proof of residence. If you are not adding another guardian, click Next. Otherwise, proceed to the next step. Adding another guardian. Scroll to the bottom of the page. Click the button that reads Add Another Guardian in the bottom right-hand corner of the page. Fill out additional guardian information. Once you're finished, click the button that reads Next. Student information. Fill out the required fields with your student's information. Make sure the name and date of birth matches the student's birth certificate or other proof of identity. If you only have one student to register, click Next. If you have more than one student, click Add Another Student at the bottom right-hand corner of the page and proceed to the next step. Adding another student. After clicking the Add Another Student button, you will see another section appear with blank information. Repeat the previous step until you are finished registering all your students. Selecting your student's grade. Click on the student's name. Select the student's current grade, as well as the grade they will be registering for the next year. You will only be able to do this for one student at a time. When finished, click the Next button at the bottom right-hand corner of the page. Making a school selection. You should only be able to see your zoned school. If you cannot see any school, please call 210-554-2660. Click the Next button in the bottom right-hand corner of the page. A pop-up will appear. Confirm the details and select Continue. How to upload documents. Documents may be uploaded directly into your Enrollment account using the following instructions, or may be brought to the campus after completing your registration and clicking Submit. Go to the Parent Certification section in your student's online registration packet. Click on the Upload button for the form you need to include in your registration. A window will pop up where you will select the document you wish to upload. You may scan or take a photo on your phone. Search and select your file. Acceptable document types are .pdf, .png, .jpg, or .jpeg. After a few seconds, you will see the option to view. This means your document has successfully been uploaded. Ways to get help. You may contact your school's office. You may also contact the Office of Access and Enrollment Services, or you may also contact Schoolment Support.